Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Achievement. Today we have an unboxing. Today we have a special unboxing. It is no game, it is something else. It is a new microphone, the plug and play microphone for starting streamers of Fifine. Thank you Fifine for supporting this channel. Thank you for sending me this microphone. We're gonna open them together and then we're gonna see what it's all about. If it's good, if it's not good, to see if it gets the Mr. A approval, the Mr. A stamp. Maybe I'll make a stamp. We'll see. We're gonna open it right now. Drum roll, please. I gotta edit the drum roll. Make sure I don't break it. And I'm listening to one of the OG members, Minato, to cut away from me, because otherwise we're gonna have to go to the hospital again. Make sure we don't damage the package. It's been on the way for a really long time, so I'm excited to see how it actually looks. I'm really excited to see. As you know, I've been struggling with my microphone and stuff. We finally got it working pretty well, in my opinion, but maybe this could have been a better solution. Let's find out together. The top is off. The top is off. Make sure to not show my address. That's important. Let's see if we can get it out. Look at that. Oh, well packaged as well. They did a great job. As you can see already, it looks pretty nice. It's a purple box. Let me open this as well. I don't want to break it. I gotta be real careful. It's packaged really well. Or it's a skill issue on my part. Let's open it. Boom! The AM8 dynamic microphone of Fifine. Look at that. It kind of looks nice with like USB port, some LED lights. We all know gamers love LED lights. That's a well-known fact. Ampli game. Compatible with Windows, Mac, PS4 and PS5. So for you PS5 gamers, you can also use this mic if your friends tell you that they can't hear you properly. Let's open it. And now I'm gonna stop talking. I just want to say, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more unboxings like this. Let's show all these cooperations that they can work with Mr. Achievement. I'm gonna go into a voiceover right now with the new AM8 microphone so you can hear exactly how it sounds. And we got Casper here. It's called Casper, the ghost from Call of Duty. You know I love Call of Duty. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, and we're going onto the microphone right freaking now. If you spend hours grinding trophies on stream like me or in-game like you with your friends, the last thing you need is your audio sounding like you recorded it inside of a PS3 disk drive. So when Fifine reached out and sent me the Ampli Game AM8 microphone, I actually tested it and you can hear it right now. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what it does, and whether it's worth your time and your money. As you can see in the footage, the package is clean. Inside the box, you get the AM8 microphone itself, obviously, a metal desktop base stand with an anti-slip pad so it's not sliding around mid-gaming session, and a USB-C to USB-A cable that you can take off so it becomes a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's your plug and play setup. Ready out of the box. No interface required, no driver installation. You just plug it into your PC and it works. I'm recording this voiceover right now. I plugged it into my PC, started recording. I didn't have to figure out the cables and do all these kind of effects on it to make it sound well. I just plugged it in and we're gonna see how it sounds. The build is solid. It's got that square aggressive gaming aesthetic with RGB lighting on the base. It comes in black, white and pink, so everybody's got a choice. I've got the black one obviously because all my other peripherals are black and it fits nicely into the scene. Let's talk about what's actually inside this thing because that's what matters. The AM8 is a dynamic microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern. This is the important part, dynamic. Most budget mics you'll see at this price point are condensers. Condensers are sensitive, great for quiet, acoustically treated rooms, but if you're gaming, if you have keyboard noise, a mechanical clacker, fans running, maybe traffic outside, a condenser will pick up all of it. A dynamic mic rejects that. For gaming and streaming, in my case, environments specifically, that's the right call. The frequency response runs 50 Hz to 16 kHz. That's your full vocal range covered with some bass extension underneath. Standard broadcast quality. Nothing exotic, nothing broken. The connection is USB-C on the mic side, USB-A or USB-C on the computer side. It also has a full XLR output if you want to run it through an audio interface or mixer down the line. That future-proofing at $55 is genuinely useful. Most mics in this range force you to choose one or the other, so it's really nice that you can choose how you're gonna use it. In my case, I've got a mixer so I can use the XLR output, but I know a lot of you don't have that, so I just test this mic with the USB-C to USB-A on the computer side. On the physical controls, there's a gain knob, smooth, resistant, lets you dial in your input level without touching your software. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack for zero latency monitoring, so you can hear yourself in real time while you stream or game. No hearing yourself 2 seconds late, no surprises. The tap to mute function is hardware based, meaning it works even without any software running. The RGB has a touch sensitive button cycling through 3 modes and 8 solid colors. 10 options total. If you care about that, it's there. If you don't, tap it off. I'm not going to pretend RGB makes your audio better. It doesn't, but it does look good on camera during an 8-hour stream. And that's a legitimate consideration for me. Fifine positions the AM8 as a gaming and streaming microphone, and that framing is accurate. It's not chasing a studio vocal warmth. It's not trying to compete with these higher end microphones like the Shure SM7B. It's a plug-in, works immediately, handles noise, gives you XLR upgrade potential, and retails at $54.99. At that price, the dual connectivity alone justifies the purchase over single output competitors. Worth noting, it works on PS5 via the USB port. You can set it as a default input and output. It does not work on Xbox. Microsoft doesn't allow third-party USB audio. PlayStation players are sorted though. The link to the Fifine AM8 is in the description below. If you're building your first real streaming setup or you're upgrading from a headset mic, this is a legitimate starting point. Dynamic capsule, dual connectivity, real controls, under 55 euros. It earns its spot on the disc. Big thanks to Fifine again for sending me this over and making it possible. If you picked one up, let me know in the comments how it's holding up and how you're liking it. Now I do want to show you, if you're moving it around, it will make some noise, but look at that. It kind of looks great, to be honest. You can mute it at the back. Now you can hear me talking, so it's really, really good. I put it full volume. I always do that with the microphones, but you can adjust this as well. So to be honest, it's so easy to set up. One of the easiest microphones I had to set up, and I'm not saying that because this is sponsored, because they sent me this mic. I'm just saying that because I want to be honest with my audience. I told Fifine as well, if I don't like the product, I'm just gonna say it, but I actually like it. I'm gonna use this microphone when I go over to the fair in Belgium next month, where I will do live streaming. So I'll do the PSN profiles of the people who are physically there. I will be using this mic because it's so easy to set up, so easy to carry with you, and actually the sound is pretty crisp. Let me know what you think about the sound. I hope you like this video. I hope it picks up my thing pretty well. We're gonna have to see when I'm editing, but it's all fine. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. Special thanks to Fifine for sending me this mic. I hope we can work together in the future. And that's gonna be it for me today. Let me know in the comments what you liked about this microphone, what you didn't like about this microphone. If you want to see more unboxings, if you want to see more these type of things and sponsorships, let me also know in the comments. I will see you next time with another video. Make sure to subscribe. Let's grow this channel to 5K. See you later. Bye bye. Peace.